Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the summer mystery box from Charlotte Tilbury. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my Charlotte Tilbury summer mystery box just arrived, and it came in this cute little tiny box, and I think it's even magnetic. I haven't opened it yet. Yeah, it's even magnetic. Super cute. So I did receive this today, and if you guys did see that I got a advent calendar for Christmas last year that was Charlotte Tilbury, and it was expensive, and I was a little disappointed because it was a whole lot of sample sizes when I was hoping to get more of a full size, or I don't know, but I was a little disappointed in the advent calendar. So when I saw this, I wanted to definitely get this so we can see what is in a mystery box. This is supposed to have 9 full size items. That's why I was like, okay, let me go ahead and try it. If they had both small and full size, I probably would have passed, but since it was all full size, I felt like it would be worth it this time, hopefully. So we're gonna find out. So this is valued at $388, and I paid $194 plus tax, which came to $209 or $210 or something like that. So on the back there is a sticker, and it says Mystery Box Summer Sale 2020 with the barcode right there, which I'm sure that probably does come off easily with this kind of box. No, not really easily. It does kind of take the, again, takes the paper off. But if you wanted to reuse this box for something, you definitely could. Mine just has that now on the bottom. So let's go ahead and get in here. Let's see what basically $200 just bought me from Charlotte Tilbury. So let's go ahead and get this opened. And that's what it looks like right there. So there is going to be 9 full-size products, and I did get some samples that I will go over once I show you what's in here, if you want to know what they sent me for the samples. So let me go ahead and just pull everything out here. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's definitely 9 products with some tissue paper. So this is what the box would look like if you wanted to keep this for something. It's definitely a good size, even if you were to drop it down in one of your drawers or something to keep stuff in, a little stash box, I don't know. But that's a very cute box, and I do like that it's in a decorative, nicer box, especially since you're paying $200 for it. So let's go ahead and see what this $200 got me. So the first item, I'm just gonna start pulling out items, no rhyme, no reason. This says Eyes to Mesmerize, long lasting, easy color. So what is it? Made in Italy. Let's open it and see what this is. Does it say what are you? Eyes to Mesmerize, Star Gold. That's all it says. So the color is Star Gold, and it comes in this right here. So is it like a liquid shadow? Ooh, definitely. It is very gold. That's not my color. I know this is something that I would not use, so I'm not going to touch it or swatch it. I'm going to put it right back in the box, and I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. So one of you guys will hopefully enjoy that. I'm just not a gold person. I just don't like golds. I'm not a fan of yellow gold color, but I'll go ahead and hang on to this for somebody else. So that's really cool. There's the first item. The next thing right here says Swish and Glow Blusher, Cheek to Chic. The color on here is ECSTASY. And let's get this opened. So it is a compact, it's not like a completely round, it's kind of like an oblong round. And when you open it up, there is a mirror right on the top. And that is what the blush looks like. There's a different color on the inside and more of a peach color on the outside. Very different. I like that there's 2 colors that you could probably either use on their own or mix them all together. So that is really pretty. I like that. So there's the second item. Now we have this is the Legendary Lashes Volume 2. And this is in black vinyl. And I was actually really excited to try this. So there's the packaging. It says Legendary. And then the wand will be right there. I did get a sample mascara once. I don't know if it was in my calendar or in another box. So I'm really glad to have a full size mascara now. So there's number 3. Now we have is this item here, and it says Hollywood Lips Dolly Bird would be the color. So here's the packaging. Oh, is it like a liquid lip? I haven't got, oh, no, I have never got anything like this. So there's that. Let's, ooh, this is a pink, ooh, this is definitely a pinky color. That's not my shade, but that is a pink. There's that. So there's the 4th item right there. Then we have is a Color Chameleon color eyeshadow pencil. So we have an eyeshadow pencil, and this is in the color Amber Haze. There's the packaging, and there's like a dark, looks like a dark gold color. So that's definitely not my color, so I'm not gonna touch it or swatch it. That'll go in a future giveaway as well. I wish they put a little bit more wearable colors, because there's a whole lot of gold and like a baby pink. So far, those are not my colors. So then this right here looks like Charlotte Tilbury, and this looks like it's gonna be another light color. I don't know why they would choose to put all light colors in this, but maybe they're trying to get rid of colors. I'm not quite sure, but let's get this thing opened. I have to cut the seal to slide it out. I mean, this is really, really different packaging. There's a tiger on it. Again, I really wish they would have put in at least like one darker shade. I mean, I wouldn't even have cared if it was a red or a burgundy or a wine. I mean, at this point, just something a little bit darker than all this light stuff. But I guess that's what you get in a mystery box. You never know what you're gonna find. So moving right along, there's this package right here, and this says Bronze and Glow Face Sculpt and Highlight. So there's that, and you open it like that. This is very cute packaging. Oh, and then it's even inside. Woo, and whoa. All right. So now that we open up that, here is the actual packaging. Very pretty. And then when you open it up, there's a sculpt, and then there is a highlight. Let me go ahead and swatch these for you guys. I mean, they're right there. So I put the sculpt and then the highlight. So you can kind of see the shimmer from the highlight, and you can see a little bit of like a bronzing color on the sculpt. So that's really nice. So I do like that. So we have 2 more items, you guys. This one is Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flash Primer. So that's really neat that we got a primer. And let's get this opened. Oh, there is that. It looks like a foundation almost, but it says that it's a primer. So let's get a little bit. It blends in nicely. It blends in nicely. It kind of has a lotion smell to it. And yeah, so we have a primer. That's really neat. Okay, you guys, and the last item is this right here. It says Hollywood Beauty Glow, Charlotte's award-winning Beauty Light Wand and Wonder Glow Primer. So the 2 items down inside of here are these right here. This one says Beauty Light Wand, Easy Highlighter. So it's this little dabble do ya. I guess you squeeze it out. And then this one says multiple use Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focus Beauty Flash. So there's those 2 items right there. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that came in the summer 2020 mystery box. If you want to know the little samples that I received in here as well, that came with it was a Goddess Clean Ritual Miracle Spa in a Jar Duo, Cleansing Ritual 1, and a Cleansing Ritual 2. So there's like, I guess, a little 2-step cleanser that you can try out. Here is the Magic Eye Rescue Eye Cream to try out. And then in here, there are 3 little boxes. This one here says Hot Lips. It is a, damn, they couldn't at least like do one the length of the box. They had to just be that small with it, huh? So now the little sample size that you get in here is actually a darker color. That actually looks like a pretty decent color. This one says Hot Lips as well. This one is the same packaging. And this one looks even darker. So I really wish they would have done colors like this in the mystery box. And then inside of this one is Pillow Talk Diamonds Glossy Starlit in Lucky Diamonds. Is this size. Though the 3 free guys are better colors than the one that came in the $200 mystery box. So that's kind of a little sad, but there you go. Do you think that I got $200 worth? Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this mystery box? Did you purchase it? Did you want to purchase it? Let me know all the details down below. I greatly appreciate all of your feedback. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.